you can tell me is basically who it's for, and tell me their full name, who it's from, so tell me your full name as well. Tell me what the occasion is. Is it a wedding? Is it an anniversary? Is it a birthday? Tell me when it's going to be held. Tell me a little bit about the occasion, and definitely just give me as much detail about the person. What do you like about them? Some fun facts about them, your relationship with them. Those are really the main ingredients you should tell me when you're briefing me for a poem for anybody, whether it's a wedding, gift, or an anniversary. So a poem is usually like one A5 piece of paper that's about less than 100 words, which I then put into like a gift envelope. But look, I can definitely do a little bit more, but more than just an A5. I might just have to charge a $10 for an extra page. Just let me know if you want something a little bit longer. I go on a 48 turnaround principle, so when you put the order in to me, I'll get it done definitely within 48 hours. If you need something urgently within 24 hours, let me know, be an extra $10 for a more urgent turnaround. So my typical add-ons is, so again, you get the basic poem, just one page with the envelope, but I also do like special envelopes that are like nice shiny envelopes, and I can put a red wax seal on that, and that's about an extra $10. I can also put another photo frame that's an extra $10 to $20.